Brown the meat, mastering the art of cooking phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common cooking phrase, brown the meat. Understanding these culinary terms not only enhances your cooking vocabulary but also gives you a taste of cultural nuances in English. So, let's dive in and learn together. Browning the meat is a cooking technique. It involves cooking meat over high heat until a brown crust forms on the surface. This process adds flavor and texture to the meat. It's often the first step in recipes like stews, casseroles, or sauces. The key here is the color change, from raw to a rich brown, signifying it's well cooked on the outside. The main reason for browning meat is to enhance its flavor. When meat browns, it undergoes a process called the Maillard reaction. This reaction creates a complex flavor profile that can't be achieved by just boiling or baking. Browning also gives the meat a desirable texture and appearance, making the dish more appetizing. To brown meat effectively, follow these steps. 1. Heat the pan. Use a heavy skillet or pan and heat it over medium-high heat. 2. Dry the meat. Pat the meat dry with paper towels. Moisture prevents browning. 3. Don't overcrowd. Cook in batches if necessary. Overcrowding leads to steaming, not browning. 4. Let it sear. Place the meat in the hot pan and resist the urge to move it. Let it sear until it naturally releases from the pan. 5. Turn evenly. Turn the meat to brown all sides evenly. When browning meat, avoid these common mistakes. Not heating the pan enough. A lukewarm pan won't sear the meat. Moving the meat too soon. This prevents the formation of a crust. Overloading the pan. This lowers the pan's temperature, causing the meat to steam. And that's all about browning meat. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, next time you're in the kitchen, try this technique and observe the difference it makes in your dishes. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey and adds a bit of culinary skill to your repertoire. Happy cooking and learning!